We got some Made in New York City factory footage.
Yay!
All right, so we got some photos and more, some pogo pins.
They're cool.
Yeah.
Looks like chess pieces.
And it wouldn't be factory footage without either a sunrise or a sunset and the never-ending Disney construction site across the street from Adafruit. I think this is where they dig up pieces of the Mandalorian and they put it together somewhere else.
It's the Yoda burial ground.
Yeah.
Baby Yoda.
Yeah, this is where they grow them
Yeah.
in the ground.
In pits.
You've got to grow the Yoda before you free the Yoda. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing there, really. Okay.
I think anyone does. You can see how far they've gone underneath the street, though. You can, like...
Yeah.
They got the ramp. But